Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with new chapter, new topic for the subject pharmaceutics. And the name of topic is extraction. As you all know about extraction, मराठीत त्याला म्हणतो काढा तयार करणे. And if I say extraction, generally to prepare any sort of extract liquid from the method of extraction, it requires one solvent. Generally, there are various types of crude drugs which are obtaining from different sources like animal source, mineral source, vegetable source. And once these drugs are obtained, from these drugs, if you require any pharmaceutical use, some drugs do not show their active ingredients or do not show their uses directly in a whole plant, whole animals, but some part of some crude drugs, they are showing the active ingredient, and these active ingredients are then show the specific use. It means that, for example, in a case of vegetable crude drugs, different vegetable crude drugs are there. They are obtaining from the source of a plant like root, stem, seed, bark, or any one. And from these parts of a plant, any one part shows active constituent. And when you want to see the use of such active ingredient, you need to go for extraction. And that's why the extraction is nothing but the removal of all types of active constituent from the crude drugs by using a liquid solvent. I repeat the definition for that. Extraction is defined as removal of all kind of active constituent from a vegetable or any sort of a crude drugs by using liquid solvent. This is the definition for extraction. Now the question is there, what do you mean by liquid solvent? Generally, liquid solvent is the one which is capable to penetrate the cell wall of a drug, dissolving all active constituent present in it. I repeat, a liquid solvent, so-called maelstrom. Liquid solvent चं दुसरं नाव maelstrom, and the definition for liquid solvent or maelstrom which is used for extraction is: maelstroms are a liquid solvent which are capable to penetrate the cell wall of a drug and dissolving all active constituents present in it. That is known as a maelstrom. Now, after addition of any liquid solvent with a vegetable or any type of a crude drugs, once you will get an extracted liquid, at the last you will get some sort of a residue. You will get some sort of impurities. You will get some sort of a precipitate at the last. And that's why the residue left after extraction is known as mark. M-A-R-C. I repeat, the residue left after extraction is known as mark. It means that in our chapter extraction, it is necessary to remember these three definitions, which are that: number one, extraction. Extraction is defined as removal of all kind of active constituent from a crude drugs by using a liquid solvent. Second, maelstrom. Maelstrom, so-called liquid solvent, it is defined as these are the solvents which are capable to penetrate the cell wall of a drug and dissolving all active constituent present in the drug. Number 3, mark. Mark is defined as the insoluble residue left after extraction, so-called mark. Remember these 3 definitions from a chapter extractions, which are important for you as a MCQ question, as a synopsis question, as an oral question. Now once you know 3 definitions, the major thing is that generally extraction is divided into 2 types. It is classified into 2 classes. There are 2 classes, 2 types, 2 methods. Can't say method, but there are 2 types or 2 classes of extraction. Number 1, liquid extraction. Number 1 is liquid extraction, and number 2, solid liquid extraction. Now here, if I say liquid extraction, it means that this is the method of extraction in which any liquid product, when you need to extract, when you remove all active constituents from this liquid solvent, you are supposed to go for using a liquid solvent as a drug, and the Maelstrom so-called solvent to be added for this extraction method is also a liquid. That means drug is a liquid, solvent is a liquid, and if both are liquid, so-called liquid extraction. Whereas the second class of extraction is solid liquid extraction. Second class is solid liquid extraction. If I say solid liquid extraction, it is also known as a leaching process. याचा दुसरं नाव काय? Leaching process. And if I say solid liquid extraction, in this type of extraction, in this class of extraction, the drug which is required for extraction is a solid, whereas the solvent used for extraction is a liquid. Drug कसा असेल? सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये असेल, आणि द सॉल्वंट यूज कसा असेल? लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये. जेव्हा की सॉलिड ड्रग आणि लिक्विड सॉल्वंटचा यूज होत असेल, दॅट टाइप ऑफ एक्सट्रॅक्शन इज नोन एज सॉलिड लिक्विड एक्सट्रॅक्शन. याचं दुसरं नाव काय म्हटलं मी? लिचिंग प्रोसेस. These are the 2 classes, these are the 2 types of extraction. Now here, once you know the types or classification of extraction, now the question is that which are the different solvents, which are the different Maelstroms which are to be used in the process of extraction. Generally, there are 2 types of Maelstroms, so-called 2 types of liquid solvents are used for extraction. Number 1, water, and number 2, organic solvent. पहिला कुठला? Water is used as a liquid solvent, and second, organic solvent is used as a liquid solvent for extraction. Start with 1. If I say the water is used as a liquid solvent, you all are well known with the water. It shows a different advantages. Same, it shows the different disadvantages. Now the advantages for water is why water is selected to be used as a liquid solvent for extraction. The advantages for water used as a liquid solvent for extraction is, number 1, it is a cheaper one. पहिलं काय? It is a cheaper one. Second, it is economic one. Third, it is a non-toxic. Fourth, it is a non-inflammable. 5, it is a non-selective. These all are. One more is there, and one more is alkaloidal salts are soluble in water. I repeat, it is a cheaper one. Advantages, number 1 is cheaper one. Number 2, economic. Number 3, non-toxic. Number 4, non-inflammable. Number 5, non-selective. Number 6, alkaloidal salts are soluble in water. Once you know the advantages, some disadvantages are there. Pehla disadvantages, mold and bacteria can grow easily in this liquid solvent. I repeat, mold and bacteria can grow easily in this liquid solvent as a water. And second, alkaloids are not soluble in a water. Alkaloids are not soluble in water. That means 5 to 6 are the advantages, 2 are the disadvantages for water as a liquid solvent. Now once you know the first one, water as a liquid solvent, second one is a organic solvent is used as a medium for extraction. Now if I say the organic solvent, variety of organic solvents are there, like some mineral acids, alcohol, ether, chloroform, spirit, carbonyl chloride. Number of organic solvents are used for extraction. These organic solvents depends upon the properties of a crude drugs. They are selected to be used in the extraction. Number one, some advantages for organic solvent, some disadvantages for organic solvents are. Start with advantages. Advantages number one, the mold and bacteria cannot grow where organic solvents are used as extraction. Pehla काय? Mold and bacteria cannot grow where organic solvents are used as extraction. And second, alkaloids are soluble in organic solvent. All alkaloids are soluble in organic solvent. These are the two major advantages for organic solvent is used as a medium for extraction. Whereas the disadvantages are, pehla disadvantage, it is a costly one. Dusra advantages, it is a toxic one. Tisra disadvantages, it is highly inflammable. Chautha disadvantage, it is a selective. And पांचवा disadvantages, alkaloidal salts are insoluble in organic solvent. थोडक्यात काय, जे वॉटरचे ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत ते ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्व्हंटचे डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत आणि जे वॉटरचे डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत ते ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्व्हंटचे काय आहेत, ॲडव्हान्टेजेस. इट मीन्स दॅट related with this chapter, some fundamental aspects are, you must to remember the definition for extraction, definition for menstruum, definition for mark. Then you must to remember the different types of different classes of extraction. Two classes, number one, liquid solvent, liquid extraction, and second, solid liquid extraction. And then number, which are the different advantages for water is used as a medium, which are the different advantages for water used as a medium, and second, which are the advantages to which organic solid is used as a solvent, and which are the different disadvantages where the organic solvent is used as a medium. Up to this is so called the fundamental aspect for the chapter extraction. In next video, we are starting with the different types, so-called different methods of extraction. Till then, goodbye.